On January 16, the aircraft carrier USS Gerald R departed its home port of Norfolk to begin aircraft compatibility testing of the East Coast as the first aircraft, an E-2D, landed on board. Aircraft compatibility testing will continue the at-sea testing of electromagnetic aircraft launch system and advanced arresting. During this upcoming phase of ACT, compatibility testing will include T-45 Goshawks, FA-18 EF Super Hornets and EA-18G Growlers from Air Test and Evaluation Squadron 23, E-2D Advanced Oak Eyes and C-2A Greyhounds from Air Test and Evaluation Squadron 20. Rear Admiral James P. Downey, Program Executive Officer for Aircraft Carrier, emphasized that Ford's ACT marks yet another successful milestone on the path to recertification of the flight deck and full mission capability.